principal, coordinators, teachers, parents, and all my friends present here. I, Nishad, am here to represent the Peace Brigadiers. After school reopened last year, I had the privilege of being a budding leader, which the Peace Brigadiers riveted me the most, and so I decided that I would try to become a Peace Brigadier. I want to bring an end to fights and bullying among students, leading to which harmony and peace follow. Me and my team shall always be there to help you, my dear friends. I now shall conclude my speech with this quote. Do not follow where the path may lead. Instead, go where there is not a single path and leave a trail. By Ralph Waldo Emerson. This is me, Nishad, signing off.
Commanding leader. Leadership is about inspiring and guiding others towards a common goal. As the commanding leader, I aim to lead our team and most importantly, lead by example. I am sure to practice eco-friendly habits and encourage others to do the same. I will also set achievable goals for our team which will enable us to address the issues on cleanliness and also give regular feedback to the classes assigned to us. Moreover, I will encourage each of my team members to share their ideas and diligently enter the schools. I understand supporting and encouraging my fellow commanders is crucial and every success, big or small, deserves recognition. Looking forward to working together as a team to make a positive impact on our school environment. Thank you.
Leadership usually starts with a willing heart, a positive attitude, and a desire to make a difference, said the famous Mac Anderson. Good morning to one and all present here. I'm Dia of class 5A and I will be leading the Green Brigadiers. I, along with my team, look forward to creating a friendly, fun and disciplined environment on